Hey guys, it's Darren again from KIFFIX. Today I want to show you how to use the splash page feature from the KIFFIX platform. Basically, a splash page is a temporary page that pops up before your final location or your final destination that you want to send your viewers. So, for example, if you have a Spotify track that you want to send your visitors to, you can build a splash page, which is a pop-up page that will basically display before the viewer gets to your Spotify profile. So I can show you basically going from the KIFFIX dashboard, you go to splash page and you can say create splash page. For the sake of this one, I will do one for Spotify. So basically a new release, for example, let's just say, call it my new release. What we like to do then is just basically add an image or the artwork, for example, which I'll use in this case. You can then say the title. So just say, I'll just say artist name, track title. You can give a little description about the track. Out now via record label. Thanks for the support. Okay. You can also add a button for basically another button for a website, for example. So you can say, let's say website here, and you can add your Instagram, or if you have an official website, whatever it is. I'm just going to put the KIFFIX website in there. We like to toggle this to auto redirect, and the countdown is for 5 seconds. So then we create that splash page. So you update at the bottom, you'll see the splash page is then created. So now what I'm going to do is go to my short links where I have the Spotify track. So if I open up here, my new release, you can see there is the Spotify link. So this is the final destination pretty much of where the viewer will go. But what you need to do before you send it out is actually attach the splash page to this link. So you go to advanced, you go down to splash pages, and you can see the splash page that I created is here, my new release, and you can update. Now, if I click on the short link, that should direct you to the Spotify track. You'll first get the splash page pop up before you go there. So this is what it will look like. If I click on this, page opens, there's the splash page. Artist name, track title, you can go to the website, and then it will redirect you after that automatically to the Spotify link. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. There we go. So yeah, that's how you use a splash page. They're really cool if you have maybe a new event coming out, or you want to advertise some merchandise, or whatever it is you're wanting to basically, show your fans, basically direct them to a new sort of feature that you're wanting to push out. So it's a really, really handy tool. We use it all the time. And yeah, let us know what you think. Drop us a DM on Instagram, or check us out at www.kiffix.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. Cheers.